We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, and I'm working with an Epson EcoTank 2720. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and at your main menu, you want to go over, hit the left arrow to maintenance. Hit OK. The nozzle check is just going to be the first option, 1 out of 6. Go ahead and hit OK, and then it should it prompts you to load your paper. Then you hit OK, and then it'll ask you to hit the button with the diamond with the line in it. Then you'll go ahead and hit that. It'll do your nozzle check. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.